This guide helps you efficiently filter leads on the CRM, streamlining data access for improved lead management and analysis. Navigate to dspeedup.in. Click on Lead. On the lead grid screen, locate and click on the filter, usually represented by a funnel icon or labeled button. A panel titled Filters will slide open on the right side of the screen. Select the desired column to filter. Once you've entered the desired information, click the Search button at the bottom of the panel. Leads will be displayed in the grid based on the applied filter. Navigate to dspeedup.in. Click on Lead. Click on Advanced Filter. Advanced Filter pop-up display. Click on Type. Select on Lead Type. Click this option to add a condition in the advanced filter for filtering leads. Click here, Field Name, Condition. Select on Lead Status. Click on Condition option. Select on Equals. Click here, Value. Select on New Status. Click on Search button. The lead status is displayed when searching.